How to use SentriKey Real Estate to grant SentriConnect access. REALTORS, introducing the new and improved SentriConnect. Our app allows SentriLock lockbox owners to grant secure, time-controlled access to their properties. SentriConnect will inform the listing agent who specifically accessed the property and when. Here's how to grant access. Launch the SentriKey Real Estate app. Tap the Hamburger Menu. Select My Lockboxes. Grant SentriConnect access. Then choose the lockbox to which you'd like to provide access. Note, the lockbox must be assigned to a listing to grant SentriConnect access. Select the property you'd like to grant access to. Enter the SentriConnect user's email address, then select the date range and the start and end time for access. After the information is entered, select Grant Access, then enter your PIN, or use Touch ID Face ID. You will receive a success message confirming that access was granted. The user will receive an email invitation to download the SentriConnect mobile app and complete the registration process. To review your access, select the Messages tab. There you may also revoke any access and see when the access was granted.